In order to claim the gift of emotional wellness, we need to understand how emotions are processed in the body and to understand their language. They are actually communicating with you, and if you're aware and listen, you'll know exactly what the next steps are to you feeling well. Emotions are information-carrying peptides that are actually released from the brain and travel throughout your system, finding a cell receptor to attach to, which is also a set of peptides. And that reaction between those two chemically becomes an emotion. It's what we call the molecules of emotion. And so when those molecules of emotion are created, they go into the cell and have a reaction. So your molecules of emotion that get in, they actually affect your cell's function, your cell's behavior, and the way that you feel. And that's a really important point because your molecules, your biochemistry is really happening at the cellular level, and oftentimes you're not always aware of how that works. So let's talk a little bit about what we call the three brains. So emotions are processed throughout our whole body, not just in the mind brain as we're so accustomed to thinking. We actually process in three main areas: the mind or the brain, the heart, and the gut. They are our three main neural processing centers for emotion. Your mind kind of acts as a conductor. And so what it does is it kind of directs the body how to feel and what to do or how to behave. And your heart kind of discerns that and then exudes a feeling based around that. And then your gut actually kind of decides how it's going to respond to those messages. So when these three brains are connected, you feel well. Dr. Leaf says the three brains communicate with each other, they feed back to, and therefore influence the mind. So isn't it amazing the power that your body has to instinctively choose wellness?